Human evolution is a captivating tale. It's the story of how we came to be who we are today. Imagine a journey that spans millions of years. This is not just a scientific pursuit, but a quest to understand ourselves. From curious imprints in ancient rocks to the complex societies we live in now, human evolution is like a grand puzzle. Each piece we find brings us closer to completing the picture. This journey is filled with discoveries that reveal the resilience and adaptability of our ancestors. But why is this so fascinating? It's because it connects us to the very roots of our existence. By studying human evolution, we learn about our strengths and vulnerabilities. We gain insights into the traits that have helped us survive and thrive. So let's embark on this quick journey through time. We will explore the significant milestones that shaped our species. And by the end of it, you will see how this knowledge impacts our lives today. Our story begins millions of years ago in Africa. The earliest ancestors of humans were not much different from modern apes. These primates lived in trees and relied on their agility to survive. They had strong limbs and sharp senses. Around 7 million years ago, a remarkable shift happened. Some primates began to adapt to life on the ground. These early hominins, like Sahelanthropus tichodensis, showed the first signs of walking upright. This was a crucial step in our evolutionary path. These early hominins had smaller brains compared to modern humans. Their faces were flatter and they had large brow ridges. These characteristics helped them adapt to their environment. They could now traverse different terrains and explore new food sources. This transition from tree dwelling to ground walking set the stage for further evolution. The move increased their range and gave them new survival opportunities. It was the beginning of a long journey towards becoming human. One of the most significant changes in our evolution was bipedalism. Walking on two legs had profound implications for our ancestors. It freed their hands, allowing them to carry objects and use tools. Australopithecus afarensis, known for the famous fossil Lucy, is a prime example. Lucy's skeleton, discovered in Ethiopia, provided valuable insights. She walked upright but still had features suited for climbing. This mix of traits shows a transitional phase in our evolution. Bipedalism offered several advantages. It made it easier to spot predators and food sources. It also reduced the amount of skin exposed to the sun, helping them stay cool in open areas. These adaptations were crucial for survival in changing environments. However, walking on two legs also had its challenges. It required changes in the structure of the pelvis and spine. Despite these challenges, the benefits outweighed the costs. Bipedalism became a defining feature of our lineage. As our ancestors continued to evolve, their brains began to grow larger. This increase in brain size marked a significant leap in our evolutionary journey. Homo habilis, often referred to as the handyman, showcased this development. Larger brains allowed for more complex thought processes. Our ancestors could now solve problems, plan ahead, and communicate more effectively. This cognitive leap was crucial for survival and adaptation to new environments. The development of language is closely tied to brain growth. Early humans started using sounds and gestures to communicate. This ability to share information and ideas gave them an edge over other species. It fostered cooperation and social bonding. As brain size increased, so did the complexity of their tools. This period saw the creation of more sophisticated stone tools. These tools were not just for survival, but also for crafting and hunting. Brain development paved the way for the technological advances that define humanity. Section 5, Tool Usage, the Dawn of Technology. The use of tools is a hallmark of human evolution. It represents a shift from mere survival to innovation. Early humans started with simple stone tools, but over time these tools became more complex and varied. Homo erectus, an important ancestor, was a master of toolmaking. They crafted hand axes and other tools that were used for hunting and processing food. These tools not only made life easier, but also allowed them to explore new habitats. The creation of fire was another groundbreaking achievement. Fire provided warmth, protection, and a means to cook food. It transformed the way early humans lived and interacted with their environment. It also extended their activities into the night. Tools and fire gave our ancestors control over their surroundings. They could now hunt larger animals and process different types of food. This technological prowess was a key factor in their success and expansion across the globe. Section 6. Major discoveries: fossils that shaped our understanding. Fossils are the time capsules of human evolution. They provide glimpses into the lives of our ancient ancestors. One of the most famous discoveries is Lucy, the Australopithecus afarensis skeleton found in Ethiopia in 1974. Lucy's discovery was groundbreaking. It showed that walking upright came before the development of larger brains. This challenged previous theories and reshaped our understanding of the evolutionary timeline. Another significant find was the Neanderthal fossils in Europe. These remains revealed a close relative of modern humans. Neanderthals had large brains, used tools, and even created art. Their existence showed that evolution was not a straight line, but a complex web of species. The discovery of Homo floresiensis, or the hobbit in Indonesia, added more intrigue. These small-statured humans lived until about 50,000 years ago. Their existence highlighted the diversity of human evolution. Each fossil discovery adds to the rich tapestry of our past. Section 7. Neanderthals, our closest relatives. Neanderthals were our closest evolutionary relatives. They lived in Europe and parts of Asia from about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago. For a long time, they were considered a separate branch of human evolution. Neanderthals had robust bodies adapted to cold climates. They were skilled hunters and tool makers. They also had a culture that included the use of symbols and possibly even language. These traits show a sophisticated level of development. One of the most fascinating aspects of Neanderthals is their interaction with Homo sapiens. Evidence suggests that they interbred with our ancestors. This genetic mixing has left traces of Neanderthal DNA in modern humans. Despite their capabilities, Neanderthals eventually disappeared. The reasons for their extinction are still debated. Climate change, competition with Homo sapiens, and other factors likely played a role. Their story is a poignant reminder of the complexities of evolution. Section 8. Environmental influences adapting to change. The environment has always played a crucial role in human evolution. Climate changes and shifting landscapes forced our ancestors to adapt. Those who could not adapt faced extinction. During the ice ages, fluctuating temperatures created new challenges. Early humans had to develop strategies to cope with cold environments. This included making clothing from animal hides and building shelters. The shift from forests to savannas in Africa also drove evolution. As trees gave way to grasslands, bipedalism became more advantageous. Walking on two legs helped early humans travel long distances in search of food and water. Environmental changes also influenced diet. Early humans evolved to eat a variety of foods, from plants to meat. This dietary flexibility was crucial for survival. It allowed them to thrive in diverse habitats and expand their range across the globe. Section 9. Homo sapiens, what makes us unique? Homo sapiens, our species, emerged around 300,000 years ago. What sets us apart from other hominins is our remarkable ability to innovate and adapt. Our cognitive skills, social structures, and cultural practices are unparalleled. One of the defining traits of Homo sapiens is language. The development of complex language allowed for better communication and cooperation. It enabled the sharing of knowledge, leading to rapid advancements in technology and culture. Another unique aspect is our ability to create and appreciate art. Early humans made cave paintings, sculptures, and jewelry. These artistic expressions were not just for decoration, but also had social and spiritual significance. Homo sapiens also developed intricate social networks. These networks facilitated trade, alliances, and the exchange of ideas. Our ability to work together and build communities has been key to our success. It allowed us to dominate the planet and shape the world around us. Section 10. Conclusion. The significance of understanding human evolution. Understanding human evolution is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey that connects us to our past and reveals the roots of our existence. Each discovery, from ancient fossils to genetic studies, adds a piece to the puzzle of who we are. This knowledge has profound implications for modern science and society. It helps us understand the biological and cultural factors that shape human behavior. It also offers insights into health, disease, and genetics. By studying our evolutionary history, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth. It reminds us of the resilience and adaptability that have defined our species. It also underscores the importance of preserving our natural heritage. In today's world, this understanding fosters a sense of connection and continuity. It inspires us to explore new frontiers and address the challenges we face. Human evolution is not just a journey through time, it's a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity.